What's up YouTube? Here is my open box video of the Underhand conventional jigging reel from Mcraft. Took about 5 days from China to get here, which I'm really impressed. Here we go. Nice little box. Mcraft's massive and miraculous. Precision machine, one piece, 63 T6 aluminum frame, integrated casting control, CC, little drag system, power crank, CNC aluminum handle knob, ultra smooth tournament grade carbon disc drag, 13 and plus 2 anti-corrosion stainless steel ball bearings, position tuning, power lever drag, oversized stainless steel drive gear, fully anodized frame and parts. That's that. Nice little box. Alright. Let's see, we got instructions here. I believe there is a step-by-step video on YouTube. And it shows everything. Pretty cool. Oh wow, that's nice. What is in here? Got a mesh bag. Alrighty. And give me a power knob. Wasn't expecting that. This thing is small. I was going to get the 150, but I'm glad I got the 200. Let's see, 6.3 to 1 gear ratio, 13 plus 2 ball bearings, PE 40, 300 meters, that's like about 50-pound braid, 900 yards, I think, 200 meters. It is smooth. No play. No play, no play. Pretty sturdy. I like it. Man, it is light. It's about, I believe, 532 grams, which is like 18 ounces, I believe. 18 ounces. On the website it shows the power knob, but this is they gave me a power lever, or I'm not sure. Read a little bit about it. Let's see here. Max drag is 70 pounds. Yeah, it's about 532 grams, which is about 18 ounces. Let's see. The description says ultra smooth tournament grade carbon disc drag, superior Mcraft drag, robust, reliable, and waterproof. Premium stainless steel ball bearings, corrosion resistance, provide smooth operation. Precision machine brass geared. Mcraft innovative casting control and lever system to keep your line synchronized and to prevent line bent. Low and slick profile. Military grade steel, low guide claw, and double helix lever one. I like it. Can't wait to test it out. Probably gonna take it offshore this weekend. Stay tuned. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to know more about this reel, check out www.3mcraft.com. Retail cost of this reel is $299, but if you use discount code NINJA, you get 10% off, making it a total of $269. Free shipping, and it took about 5 to 7 business days. Took less than a week. I like it.
Yo estoy en 350, pero creería que el sur no lo puedo ver el pier todavía. Debe ser el pier. Oh, acá está, sí, creo que estoy en línea o un poquito al sur, me parece. Hey, Sean, you know my car, the planes can't see me. Is that you, Scott? Oh, it's Miguel. Andy, let's see what it is. John, did you say you hooked up?
Man, it is light, smooth. I like it. Smooth, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I can't wait to take it off short.